Okay. I wish I would have had my phone so you could have seen the proof of what just happened to me. I went down to get the dogs and I brought them out, just bringing them upstairs for the night. I got the little Yorkie, he was growling at me, all that fun stuff. Anyway, I'm on my way up the stairs, paying attention, not really paying attention enough so I don't trip, right? Because, what just happened to me, you don't expect to happen when you're going up the stairs to go to bed, to go up for the night. I get to the last step. I open my door to let the shepherd in to my room. I'm about to walk in with the Yorkie and continue on with my nightly routine of scrolling into the abyss on TikTok. When suddenly, out of our storage room, a bird flies out super fast. Whoosh. Flapping. I scream because it flies at me. It flies towards me. I scream, and it's a big bird. It's not like a robin or a blue jay. Probably about the same size as a blue jay, but it was all like brown and like black specks and stuff. Super pretty bird, just not pretty when it's in my house. When it's in the house, so I yell, I scream. Dad comes up, finds the bird, chases it back into the storage room because it was on the light fixture. Chases it back into the storage room, and now there's a tarp over the storage room door, stapled to the door, so it can't fly out. It's winter. It's that time of year. We usually have birds nest in the attic. Like, we usually got birds that come into the storage room, nest. They're usually pretty quiet. Like, you hear them, but like they're pretty good. Like, they have their nest there, they have their babies there. Like, it's fine. They don't really usually do anything until today, when this one decided it was going to just, like, I wasn't even head towards the storage room. I was head to my room. I literally went up the stairs and was turning into my room. Just like, stairs, my room. That's all I was doing. Stairs, room. And it just, not today. And it scared the absolute shit out of me. So, that's my night.